First of all, we need to open our Microsoft account settings. Therefore, just type in Microsoft and open Microsoft.com. And then I'm going to translate that in English. And then click on the top right corner on your on this account thing here. And then I'm just going to sign in with another account because I don't know what's the password of this one. Or I'm just going to also change the location for you guys. Yeah, Canada will do it, English. And then on the top right corner, just sign in with your account that you also use in Minecraft. And then enter your password. Okay. This will take a few seconds. Wait. Or wait, I'm going to use another account. Yes, thought it. And then again, click on the right corner and click on My Microsoft account. And then you need to not translate to German. Click on your information on the top or your info. And then you need to set a date of birth that is already over 18. So just click on the date of birth section here, and then you need to, again, verify your identity. Perfect. And then click on confirm. And then just, select the date of birth that is over 18. You can use whatever you want, and then just click on save. And then triggered, always, never translate. Perfect. And then we are already... Oh, fuck. Okay, and then scroll down until you see your profile section and click on Xbox Profile. And then click on Privacy Settings. And then scroll down. And then scroll down to Privacy and Online Safety. And here, click on Xbox Series X, S, Xbox One, and Windows 10 devices online safety, and then scroll down until you see the You Can Join Multiplayer Games section. And here, you need to make sure that this is set to allow, from block to allow, and then click on Submit, and that's already it. Yeah, really hope this helped you guys. If you've got any questions, just leave them in the comment section below. I wish you a wonderful day, so, yeah. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.